Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation has said that it achieved a trading surplus of $108.84 million for the month of November 2020. The corporation disclosed this in its monthly financial and operation report for the month of November 2020, released in Abuja. Elsewhere, Egypt's inflation decreased to the lowest level in 14 years of 5.7% in fiscal year 2019-2020, while poverty rate down for the first time since 1999.
The corporation disclosed this in its monthly financial and operation report for the month of November 2020, released in Abuja. It said that the amount indicated a 70.33% increase compared to the October 2020 sales, as the total crude oil and gas export for the period of November 2019 to November 2020 stood at $2.89 billion. Similarly, it revealed that expenditure for the month decreased by 1.16%. Elsewhere, Egypt's inflation decreased to the lowest level in 14 years of 5.7% in fiscal year 2019-2020, while poverty rate down for the first time since 1999. The decline was greater in rural areas of Lower Egypt, reflecting a decrease of 4.73%, followed by the rural areas of Upper Egypt at 3.79%, as Ministry of Planning and Economic Development has attached utmost importance to directing the investment plan towards the government's work priorities. This aims to improve the quality of life for Egyptian citizens while also raising the level of services by focusing on sectors that stimulate economic growth and which provide decent work opportunities. Also, public investments increased by 66% in general during fiscal year 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 compared to the previous three. Finally, African Development Bank is optimistic about the outlook for Africa's economic recovery despite the current challenges facing the continent, particularly the coronavirus pandemic. Africa's economy, like much of the world's, has taken a battering by the effect of the pandemic, with the trade and supply chains being disrupted and some industries such as aviation and tourism being among the worst affected. A report by the AFDB last year said Africa stood to lose between 25 and 30 million jobs in 2020, depending on the level of economic contraction due to the effects of the pandemic.